Sonu, one more thing, my brother. I have blurred my side. Do you think blurred is good or without blur is good? So you are saying blur. Like I'm going to like turn it off now and tell me.
Blur is good.
Okay, now tell me, is it better now or was better? Tell me.
It was better.
Earlier.
Blur is better. Earlier it was better.
Okay, I'm going to do it. So, Mr. Sonu, as you were telling us about, you were not that much in, but after getting into meditation, you have become intelligent. Explain it, please. I would like to know how meditation has made you more intelligent than earlier. And why do you think so? You were not intelligent earlier, and why, after practicing meditation, you have become more intelligent? Tell you, please.
Because in my childhood time, nobody gives me respect,
Mm-hmm.
value.
Mm-hmm.
Nobody didn't value. And
Okay.
after meditation, a silence come in my body and a energy also.
Mm-hmm.
So I found that that energy is very impactful and also always help me in any situation. I got one positive energy,
Mm-hmm.
that is meditation energy, and also.
Mm-hmm.
And meditation is a observation skill. You can observe other people and yourself also.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that is good skill.
Mm-hmm.
Like a arrow sign in both side, like in public side and your side also. And you will speak the interesting or agreeing line, like people also happy and you also happy. So that is good speech.
Mm-hmm. How how will you explain that energy? How it feels?
It feels good, and you can feel that energy, or you can show the impact of the people and you also.
Mm-hmm.
That energy is very unique.
Okay. Somehow it is a hard question. Despite that, I want to ask you, uh, do you feel sometime you are able to know what someone else is thinking about you? You, you are able to know what they are about to say. Are you able to do that? Is this thing happen? Tell me.
Yes, I can. find that if someone uh, people's facial expression tell us all these things. Like now you are very curious about this interview. The
Mhm.
facial expression is showing that.
Mhm.
And your facial expression also showing that you are talking little bit
Mhm.
of my answers from my answers.
Mhm.
And if anybody try to do meditation, he can update it, they can update their self. Okay.
Mhm. One more thing, Sonu. Nowadays, people are in so much hurry. In everything, they want fast. You know, there are people who will speak to you really fastly. And such kind of people expect from you also to answer fastly. So, you are what you are. You know yourself. Okay. But those people expect that thing. You know, we don't have much time. And generally, I'm thinking, if somebody,
Yes, Kunal, sorry for that.
so generally, when they come across such once in a blue moon person who speaks with pauses, we can take the example of Osho also, we can take the example of you also, brother. People nowadays have not that much patience level, not that much patience level. So how do you handle such people? I feel like that personally. I also try to take pauses while speaking, and sometimes I noticed there are some guys they don't want to listen to me because they don't get answer from my side fastly. According to their expectation, I'm not able to give them answer like in fast way. Somehow I'm also lover of taking pauses, same as like you, my brother. But personally, I feel sometimes people ignore me for that. So, do you like to tell me something about it? May you please share your knowledge about it?
Means if you find a hurry person, how
Yeah,
to
generally,
convey that person? Are you asking
generally,
that?
yeah, generally nowadays the food, the culture, the habit, routine is making them hurry. So they want fastness in everything. They don't have patience level. That's what I'm saying, bro. How, yeah, with those person, share your experience.
So if I find hurry person and they are trying to hurriness in all the situation, So why should I suggest him or her? If they
You
are
know,
stuck in trouble,
somehow, let me repeat my question again. So, Sonu ji, my question is that, see, you are calm, I'm also calm, but there is another person, third person, who's coming with us. Like, we are speaking with silence, okay, but when it comes to another person, that person want us to speak fasterly, which we don't like. So what do you like to say about that situation? So at that time I noticed people don't talk with me personally. When I'm speaking in my natural way, like with pauses, they don't talk to me. They just go away. What do you like to say about that incident? Please. That's what I'm asking, my brother.
okay. So if if you don't like a person, that is very hard in all the situation. So you need to focus on yourself. If they are asking help to you, then you can suggest to him or her. Okay, and there is no need to teach everyone to take pause, silence. That is their own way, and this is my own way. Okay, because
But
every person is unique.
what if they want you to speak as like them? If they don't accept you as you are, then
So I will go that place. Okay, because there is no value, and if I not go, I will wait for the situation if they are stuck in any trouble. So I will guide him or her. I will guide that you are on the wrong way. You should try to the strategies of like a mature person. Definitely your question is showing they are amateur. If they will getting mature, they will definitely think before speak. Definitely.
how meditation makes you much more mature.
Yeah, you can say that.
Tell me how it makes much more mature a person. Tell me.
Meditation is simply like a privacy. Meditation teaching you have to live alone, sitting alone, eating alone. Okay. And aloneness is providing you maturity. If you are living in crowd, okay, so you will become like a crowd, not a unique person. If you want to become a unique person, you need to work on yourself with privaciness, with privacy.
Sonu, why those are unique person? Why people call them eccentric, mad, lunatic, crazy? Why do they call them such with such words?
So a spiritual person is also controversial because he don't follow the rules of government, rules of society. He is also controversial person, and sometimes you will find he is a mad, crazy. He is not intelligent, but in reality, a person who are doing meditation, he is a mature and intelligent person because he is not convey himself like crowd.
Why people hate those unique person? Like society somehow kill them also. Like a lot of person got killed also. We can take the example of Socrates. Like he drank like glass of like mug of cup of poison served by people to
I
him and he
I
drank it.
got it.
Why people kill them? Tell me.
People also are comparing themselves and other person also. If they find that person is very intelligent, a unique personality he has. So if they found they are weak, he is strong. So jealousy is there. So that's why people gave Socrates poison.